Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. So I'm here at a garden that was designed by me and installed by Los Gatos Landscape in October, November of last year. I did make an original video of it, but today I wanted to do an updated video. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. Okay, so most everything is surviving and doing really well. This is the Carapia that has filled in nicely. You could technically mow it to mimic the look of grass, but I actually like it unmowed. We have some Siskiyou blue fescue kind of growing amongst the rocks. This is something that I've been doing in some of my designs, is putting this fescue in between rocks to just kind of grow in and around. The paving has held up ridiculously well. These are carrots and some tomatoes. And then we have the Podocarpus gracilior that was meant to kind of add some height in a way but be narrow. The sundrops, the woolly blue curls, some sages. This was a Baja Bush snapdragon, if I recall. I call this a small but mighty garden. That is a variety of Cleveland sage. I don't remember which. And then there was an existing lemon tree here that croaked, so this is a new one planted. But in this particular case, we didn't lose any new plantings and everything is doing great. I love the pops of yellow against this kind of brown color. I mean, I could very well sit here for several hours doing not much of anything. And also, the clients have a small dog, so the decomposed granite pathway also becomes a dog run, which is kind of cool.